Dr. Oladele Olusanya. My name is RANDI. I'm the office manager here, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our facility. We're going to start here in the waiting room where our patients wait to see Dr. Olusanya. Over here we have our long corridor. Over here to my left, we have the nurses station where all of our nurses are here to assist you and help you with any concerns every day. Over here to our right, we have our in-house pharmacy, SMA Pharmacy. Over here, we have our triage room where we get the vitals of all of our patients. We do the height, the weight, the blood pressure, respiratory rate, and heart rate. Starting here, we have the Charter Medical Arts Center. Over to our right, we have our lab, which is supplied by Quest Diagnostics with our phlebotomist, Miss Val DeGreat. When our patients come in, we have our in-house lab. They will sit here and get their blood drawn. That way they don't have to go to any other facility and we can take care of all of your needs. To our right, we have our x-ray and our supply room. Down this corridor is more of the Charter Art Center, which has artwork supplied from Dr. Olusanya himself and other artists. We have our long corridors that create a fast and easy flow to our clinic. Here to our right, we have our x-ray, our EKG and allergy room. We offer EKGs and allergy testing every day of the week, and all of our staff is specifically trained in both of those areas. We have 8 patient rooms. Each room is supplied with its own unique artwork. Here we have room 6. If you follow me this way, we'll proceed to room 5. Over here we have room 8, which is set up to do all of the gynecological exams which are required by insurances every year for all females. Room 7, we have another pap smear room that is set up and ready for use. Here we have another standard exam room, room 4, followed by room 3. Here we have exam room 2, which is supplied along with room 1 with a baby scale to get all the vital signs for our infants. And in room 1, which is our pediatric room, we have toys and books that all the children can look at while waiting to see the physician or be assisted. To our right, we have our staff lounge. Over here, we have the nurses station where all of our medical assistants are ready and waiting to help you with any of your needs. Lastly, we have the business office where we are all here to work with your insurances, find out your co-pays, assist with medication refills. And this is my desk where I am every day to help you with any of your needs. Come see us here at Charter Medical Center. Thank you.